Okie dokie, everybody. Time to do a little update here on the 200X. As you can see, we got the headlight bolted on, we got the headlight guard bolted on, got all brand new Allen bolts on it. Found out very quickly that the speedo is turning the wrong way, so apparently I have a 350X gearbox. I'm looking, hopefully soon going to find another. But this way you can kind of see the paint. I finally got all the bolts back in the motor. I got the chain on it. Looks pretty good. Got that seat cover on it, brand new Mayer back plastics on it. I've been riding it a little bit today. First time really riding it. This thing is pretty wild. We still got brackets. We got to put the brake line. We got to hook it back up. I need 2 of those. I need to put on the rear brake pedal. And it might not hurt to repolish the aluminum on it real quick. But we got most of that stuff ready. And it does have 110 in it now. I finally jetted the carburetor, set it up. This thing is wild. Even with that swing arm, which is like 5 or 6 inches longer than stock, it still pulled a tire. It's so crazy. And it's not even geared anything stupid. I think it was a 40 tooth rear, and I think that's a 12 tooth front. I might gear it down a little bit, but it rolls out really good. I'll take a second, we'll do a startup, because it fires right up. It runs really good. And once again, this is the one I had to case in 1,000,000 pieces. Got that PZ30 carburetor, XR 200. Got the eBay brakes on it. We got the, I think they're the 300 4-trax plugs in it. It looks really good. Painted all the brackets and everything on it. We'll start it up real quick. So, because it idles now, it ain't where it's running up and down where the pilot jet was too small. Oh. Once again, this is that one-off kind of custom webcam. I mean, it's pretty wild. Like honestly, this thing right here, I want to see what it'll do against my brother's 350X. Gotta love to smell a race gas. This thing is wicked. But let's get the brakes done. Do that. I'll do some time things on this thing too. We'll actually hopefully do some videos of it running against some of the other bikes, just to show you how quick this thing is, because it is a wild machine. Thank you for watching.